Welcome to Barnegat Light. Barnegat Inlet is considered one of the most treacherous inlets along the East Coast. Though it is still full of beauty and attracts crowds every year. The many trails and paths along the state park surrounding Barnegat Inlet lead to mystery and wonder for people of all ages. In the 1960s, a large jetty was put in along the inlet to help protect and fortify the area for fishing boats to safely travel. The area unexpectedly created a large dune, also protecting the area from storm surges and waves. Now, a large supply of indigenous trees, grasses, and shrubs such as cedar, bayberries, beach plums, and dune grass have taken over the area and hold the dunes still firm today. Still, there is a large area, almost resembling a desert, leading from the indigenous plants to the waterside. At low tide, the area closest to the water resembles the desert surrounding it. However, at high tide, the water flows in and a whole new ecosystem emerges. The rocks provide a natural barrier for small animals and fish and crabs to get away from large predators that are out in the open ocean. The tidal pools that form to the south end of the south jetty of the Barnegat Inlet The tidal pools attract small crabs such as this Japanese crab that is an invasive species in this area but has thrived and allows for a large supply of food to the local birds. The nutrient-rich water allows for many different types of seaweeds to attach to the rocks and collect, allowing for microorganisms to live and thrive in these waters. These nutrients also allow for a large supply of bait fish. Also, the amount of tourism has brought litter, non-point source pollution, and oil runoff into these waters as well. These bait fish attract larger prey, such as the one talked to by this man.
So what kind of fish do you see?
Actually, tautok. I don't know what's the right pronunciation, but calling blackfish.
Oh, cool.
Actually, season right now is closed, so you cannot touch. I believe this is like from May 1st to July 27th or something like that. You're not allowed. I saw striper bass, approximately maybe 2 feet, maybe a little bit less, but you're not allowed to take it also. So a minimum size like 28 inches.
Here, a seagull has picked up a bunker, fresh out of the water. Here is a piping plover. In the summer months, the government set aside areas for this bird to nest properly. Since fox were introduced to the island, the population of piping plovers has decreased because the fox eat their eggs. Though now, through protection, the piping plovers are now making a great comeback on Long Beach Island. Here you can see them sitting on the jetty, enjoying the sun. These birds are very well camouflaged, as you can see. The piping plovers aren't the only ones that take advantage of the nesting area set aside by the government. These laughing gulls congregate in this area as well. The inlet offers a large array of biodiversity, such as seaweed, all the way up to osprey, birds of prey. This is a loon, also called by locals a snakefish. These birds dive underwater for a long period of time, go down and grab fish and other types of food that they wish to grab at the bottom of the inlet. Humans have done quite a bit of harm and good here in Barnegat Inlet. The jetty has provided a whole new landscape for birds to natural barrier has created less of an area for the local fisheries to use. Though this gas station does its best to maintain a healthy environment, it cannot help but pour some of its contents into the water once in a while. But not all is bad. The nesting areas set aside have helped endangered species birds come back and are now thriving better than ever.